So let's start first question is, so what areas of market research and trend analysis have benefited the most from machine learning and the drive for, machine learning and large language models?
Yeah, I would put it in buckets of machine learning is obviously the place where we would start if we have structured data, but then large language models have opened a lot of opportunities for unstructured data that a lot of financial companies and people doing market research across industries are usually sitting on. A lot of the information that people want to extract insights from are coming in the form of unstructured data. Sometimes could be audio, sometimes could be images too.
Mhm.
Large language models are not just the shiny new tool, they really can make a meaningful difference in things that we couldn't have even tapped into in the past and that now are becoming a lot more viable. When we're talking about how do we analyze and generate flexible output formats, if we're trying to, for example, write a memo or if we're trying to write a summary, large language models come in and completely change the way we do things. It's no longer the case that we need to output a single label or a quick shorthand for what we actually are
Yeah.
looking at, but rather generate the full content. So I would say we're sitting on a wealth of data in this industry, unstructured data. And in the case of Berkshire, we've invested both in data and analytics and machine learning before the arrival of foundation models and large language models. But then
Mhm.
starting in late 2022, we've been seeing a lot of boost to what we can do with the unstructured data bit of the world. So previously, we were providing insights into specific research questions, could be white space analysis, could be competitive landscapes. Now the field is opened up to a lot more self-serve tools, broad functionalities that we
Mm.
can our teams and other people are doing the same thing as well and enhance our operations across a variety of tasks. Some of them will be around surfacing and summarizing long collections of texts or notes or memos. Others involve new interfaces or ingestion of information, historical information that we really didn't make much sense of previously. It could be, but just providing new research tools that go and ask a particular question or look for all mentions of a topic, bring them together across, let's say you do the same check across every file in a collection and then bring together a group summary at the end. So a lot of questions we're trying to answer about how trends change over time, sentiment of customers, comparisons of one company to another, those types of things look completely different now.
So is it just you've been able to open up more markets? Is that what you're saying then? Through the through
So
yeah.
market is an interesting thing. I say the way that we've been seeing it play out so far is we can do the same kind of investigations that we would look to do normally, but just at a much faster scale.
Hmm.
And the outcome of that could be, for example, looking at more opportunities at a given time. Because one of the bottlenecks we would have in the industry is that you can only really get to the bottom of a research question or of a deal within a set time window, which is usually quite limited. So now you can fast pace through that time window a lot faster, go
Hmm.
deeper in our investigations, get more consistent outputs out of them. So it's not just swayed by one person's biases or the
Yeah.
recent what they've seen. And then going from that, the hope is that we could also look at more and more opportunities with the same number of resources.
Good. Yeah. No, I think the main thing is because most businesses, the efficiency is just added a lot more value to businesses. The speed is just a massive drive, isn't it? Saving you time, which we all want to do.
Yeah, absolutely. Save time is one, and a higher bar of quality and consistency is the
Yeah.
target.